All right, everybody, welcome to level 3, random numbers. Here's the same sun from last time. Right now, only the x coordinate is random, but you can make the y coordinate random too. Do this. Make the ellipse appear at random y coordinates. Drag out a random number block to the ellipse y's parameter. Update the parameter of the random number block to match the height of the screen. All right, so the height goes from 0 all the way down to about 400. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into the math toolbox. We're going to grab the random number. And right now it's in the X position. So now we're going to put it in the Y position as well. And just like the other one, we're going to save somewhere between 0 and 400. So now when we run the code, if we did it correctly, not only will it appear somewhere between here and here, it will also appear somewhere between here and here. So let's press run and see. All right, so we can already tell it's not on the same horizontal line it was on before. It's actually a little bit up. And so we're going to reset and run again. And now it's down here, reset and run again. Up here, one more time, reset and run again, all the way up here. All right, so this is where the ellipse chooses a number somewhere between 0 and 400 for the x-axis, and then somewhere between 0 and 400 for the y-axis. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. We're going to click finish, and I will see you on the next level.